Hey guys, welcome back. So since I'm super behind on like all these videos, I decided to just get in my car and film. What is that noise? Okay. I decided to just... Why do I keep feeling like I see things like flying on my car? Okay. So I decided to just film, and I did already my Ipsy versus Boxy charm for the month of April, and now I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my second BABEBOX by Focallure. And this is the last one I'm getting, guys. I already talked to you guys about this box before with my last unboxing, and I told you guys why I wasn't gonna be getting the box anymore. So this box, I don't remember how much it cost. I will probably put it, you know, here in an annotation or something. And yeah, that's, you know, that's pretty much it. But it's, I think it's too expensive for the worth. So inside the box, this is what you get. You get this little thing. So we got another another mist. I'm not even gonna open this. So we got 2 setting mists. That already there is kind of like, I don't know, I don't like that. Next thing in here is from Kiss Beauty, and this is called Perfect Highlighting Liquid. And this is in the number 3. It looks kind of like, look at that right there. Do you see that? I don't know. Let's open this. This is like, it's the swatch of it. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Next thing in here, I believe we got this in our other box, or I got this in another box. These are the Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Masks. And the last thing in here is probably the most interesting thing, and this is the Flawless Removes Hair Instantly and Painless Free Facial Hair Removal as seen on TV. So that's probably the only interesting thing in this box for me at this point. If you guys haven't seen this little machine, this looks like this has been touched before. It's like all dirty inside. I don't know, I don't understand this, but this is what the little machine looks like. You take the top off, and then when you turn it on, this little thing is gonna be like what you would remove your facial hair with. That's probably the only interesting thing in the box for me this month. For what these people charge you, I think it's kind of ridiculous, the things that you're getting in this box. I don't know. Like literally 2 setting mists that are like travel size, some masks, which I'm pretty sure don't cost like anything, and then this like sample of this highlighting liquid, and then this thing. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. This box is like not, I don't know. I'm not content at all. I'm glad that, I'm just upset that they made me pay for a second. Like, I had to be forced to get a second box before I could cancel. I think just that right there was like enough to like not be happy with this box at all. But the stuff that it brings in and how expensive it is, it's kind of ridiculous. But all right, guys, that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your opinions on this box. I know some of you already gave me opinions on the other video, and I don't think most of you like it either. All right, guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.